Hey lovelies, welcome to another tutorial. So today we want to make a turban for one of our ready to wear kaftan dresses. Okay, so this turban is very simple and this is the turban base. We have already made it. Okay, this is the base, is very simple, is mixed with lace and Ankara, and this is the kaftan. So make sure you enjoy. Okay, this is what it looks like. All right, I'm going to set it aside. Okay, so I'm going to take our design. So the measurement is 45. Okay, 45 by 5. So I'm going to fold it into two and use it to do like a crunchy. Okay, I'm going to do this for this and for this. Okay, I'm going to do it and show us what it looks like. All right. Okay, so this is it. So I've done one. This is the second one. So just tighten it. Okay, so this is okay, so this is it. So we are going to take a strip of fabric. Okay, this strip measures 5 inches by 3 inches. So you're going to do 2 of it. Okay, we're going to use this to cover this place. All right, so we just take our needle. All right, but before we do that, we are going to take our turban. Okay, we're going to take it. We're going to place this here. We are going to place the second one here, like this. Just going to be one, and this is going to be like this, placed over this. This is going to be like this, placed over this. All right. So this is what we are doing. Just this. So I'm going to take this away. All right. I'm going to take this, put this here, and tack. I'm going to tack this here, tack this here. Okay, so as you can see I'm tacking it down. All right, so I'll just finish tacking this. I'm going to take this. So this is what I want to do. Okay, so I've done one. I'm going to take the other one. What you have to do is just fold it like this. Just fold it. Okay, so I'm just going to fold. Don't fold it too small. All right, so I'm going to put my thread from under. Right, so I'm going to cut this and use your UHU and put it at the back like this and glue it down. All right, you do the same thing for the other one. All right, so or you simply tack it down. So I'm going to take this. All right, put it like this, take my thread, my needle. So now you can put glue if you like, but I'm just going to tack it down at intervals. Okay, so you can lift it up if you want. Just make sure it covers. You can see it has covered everything. So this is it. So you can see this is the inside, this is the back. So that's it. This is pretty simple, and I'm going to wear it on the mannequin and show us what it looks like. All right, so thank you. This is, you can see it's pretty simple. All right, so see you in the next one.